What's going on, guys? I want to give you guys a little breakdown of my futures trading. So you guys know that I trade micros. You guys know I trade the NQ. I took a total of 7 trades today for $247.50. Now, obviously, after commissions and fees, it was $210.62. My average trade time was 15 minutes. Again, that's because I held one trade for about an hour. Normally, my trades last between 3 and 6 minutes. Number of winning trades was 6. The number of losing trades was 1. I won 17 contracts. I lost 3. My largest losing trade was $27. My largest winning trade was $91.50. Now, again, these are great numbers if we're able to control ourselves and stop on the day and not just continue to overtrade and give away all profits just because we're trying to reach for the stars. 85% win rate today, 14% lose rate today. I want to kind of outline some of the trades that I was looking at and some of the trades that I took today. So initially we had this opening 5-minute candle here that put in a little bit of a high. We put in a little bit of a low here, the opening range. Now I took a little bit of a scalp through the below the opening range 5-minute candle because of the fact that even though we confirmed to the high side here, we had too much supply for my liking. We have the 20, the linear, the 50, the 200. There's too much junk here for me to have confidence in going long. We would have had to have taken out the 200-day moving average to the long side for me to want to get in. But if we notice, the opening 5-minute candle low was below the Bollinger Band, and we had room all the way down here to the linear regression. So what I want to show you guys here is on this candle, when we start to confirm the day's low is when I go short. And again, I would love to tell you guys that I took profits all the way down here. However, I would be a liar and I would be a thief, right? Because again, whoever catches the whole move, not me. If you do, congratulations. But if we just look at this move here, I started to sell out, within 5 to 6 minutes as we get that push lower. Now, the next trade that I took, I want to kind of outline here. If we look at the 7 a.m. candle, right? This 6:55 a.m. candle is the first hour's lows. So I teach my guys at Evolution Traders when we're looking at the opening range and we're trading on the live webinar, that if we can take out the day's lows and we have room to make sure let's get aggressive and let's take those days low out or the day's highs. Now, being that we were pushing down and we're below all levels of supply, I'm still going to be thinking about going short here. You can see the 7 a.m. candle does in fact confirm the 30-minute opening range break, which is the first hour candle of the day. Now, when I got into this candle, it immediately bounced back on me for 10 minutes. And I want to show you guys something here. This reason why candle, right? The reason why candle, I'm going to use that high as a stop. So if we do close back over the 5 SMA and start pushing towards the 10, I'm going to be out of this position. Until that happens, I have to sit on my patient ass and wait for this to either stop me out over this level, or I've got to wait for us to continue that move down. And as we get that break, I sell in this candle here on the way down on the new break for a quick scalp. Now, the next few trades that I took were all bounce plays. I watched us put in this low. We had a little bit of a reversal candlestick here. I've got a hard stop loss when green, again, I tell my guys this every morning, when green takes out red after an exhaustion move, let's go ahead and get long, use the low of day as a stop, and just sit in the trade until you're happy with the profits or you get stopped out. There is no in-betweens. I did not take this trade here. However, I took this trade here, right, on this reversal candlestick. Now, again, on this trade here, I got in. However, I had to sit through 5 minutes of drawdown. I was using the linear regression as my hard max pain stop loss. So even though this candle closed below my 1 bar stop, look at the Bollinger Band and look at the linear, right? We just needed a few more points away for me to actually have any type of reason to want to get out. I'm not going to get out on a 1 bar stop if I have hard support right below it. I sit through 5 minutes of drawdown, and as soon as we start to spike up here, we come into this 20-period moving average, and I sell on this candle. Again, I would love to tell you guys that I sold up here and look like a hero, but again, I'm not a hero. I'm just a retail trader. Now, the next trade that I took, I missed this short position here. However, towards the end of the day, I did take another bounce on the reversal, and that bounce on the reversal was when we got this washout here through the low of day. You can see a lot of consolidation. We've already taken out these prior days lows. We put in a new low here. So when we started to really consolidate in this range between 11:30 and 12, I used this new low of day wick here as an indicator to kind of use to get in short on this play. And I only took it down for about 10 minutes there, and I sold on a little bit of a downturn. The market did try to do a little bit of a bounce here towards the end of the day, so forth and so forth. But at that point in time, I'm already mentally exhausted. So all of those trades netted me around 210 bucks. Is it something to write home about, something to be, bragging about? Of course not. But again, if we can do this on a day in and day out basis, if you can average anywhere between $200, $250 a day, you're looking at an extra $1,000 a week and potentially an extra $3,000 to $5,000 a month, which is a great secondary income. It's a great side hustle. So again, I just wanted to outline this to you guys. Congratulations. We had Cody in our Evolution Traders Discord in the community. He passed his funded account or his evaluation to get a funded account with Apex today. So congratulations to him. I think it took him about 3.5 weeks from start to finish. He's only been in my room for about a month now. So congratulations to him on that. You know, that's a big deal, right? It's a really big deal. So now the next phase and the next goal is to actually get that first payout, right? We don't want to change anything. We don't want to oversize. We want to keep doing what we're doing that got us here. And again, we want to take those payouts accordingly. I'll see all of you guys on the next video. If you guys want to join, the link is down in the description box below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.